Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to look into the next session in the affiliate marketing program. In previous sessions we have seen introduction about affiliate marketing and somewhere about the pros and cons and what is affiliate marketing. The basic stuff inside affiliate marketing is what we have seen. Now in this session we are going to see the different types of affiliate marketing options and those informations are available in the screen. Hope you'll be having few of doubts that you can ask me giving a call to my personal number or my WhatsApp number, so we can have the doubts clarified. This particular recorded session will help you to access it at any point in time to a comfortable level, to a flexible time, and raise questions to me whenever you need. Let us get into the topic now. Cool. So types of affiliate marketing. Okay. There are other videos before this, and you can even watch that one. Okay. So affiliate marketing is of different types, and we can classify these types of advertisements majorly into three types. Okay. And number one is called unattached affiliate marketing. Okay. Unattached affiliate marketing, and another one is a related affiliate marketing or niche based affiliate marketing is what we can call it as, and involved affiliate marketing. So basically affiliate marketing is a process of associating with existing business or entrepreneur, we can call it as merchant is the right term. So we can associate with a merchant and we can start retailing their products for better profits. So these three are classified as major three different types of affiliate marketing, and the first one what we can call it as is unattached affiliate marketing. So this video is just going to be an introduction about all this, and in the next video we will be discussing separately about what is attached affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing or niche based affiliate marketing, and involved affiliate marketing. Attached affiliate marketing, basically attached affiliate marketing is something where, I'm sorry, it's not attached, it is actually unattached affiliate marketing, right? Unattached affiliate marketing is a process of promoting a product or a service without having any connection, communication or relationship with the merchant, which means the person who is trying to retail the product through affiliate marketing system, he will be trying to retail the product without revealing his identity. He will be creating content and promoting it without any brand value or brand promotion. And his main intention will be to simply distribute the product links across all the platforms. Preferably, wherever it is possible, he will leave a link and come back without even adding value. So basically, these unattached affiliate marketing practices will not add any value to the affiliate process. He will simply take up the link and distribute it in anywhere in the internet, thinking that anybody may click on the link and they may potentially buy it. So thinking that anybody may click on the link and buy it. So this is basically a random process. Okay, so out of luck it can happen. So that is what they'll be basically thinking. And the next one is the related or affiliate marketing, or we can call it as a niche based marketing. Related, affiliated or niche based marketing. So these types of marketing practices, people will generally have a idea of executing the products or services which is related to a niche. They will be talking about a specific industry or a very particular topic. For example, a person will take a car and he will be discussing about the benefits of a car, and in the process, he will be trying to sell the products related to the car and its manufacturing practices. Now, with this particular product, the person will relate a product to a manufacturer, a service to a manufacturer, and in the process of helping people or teaching people, he may add a value and the affiliate link, and he will try to make a sale out of it. So, this is another process. And the next method of affiliate marketing system we have is the involved affiliate marketing. This involved affiliate marketing is basically a practice of involving yourself in the whole process. Okay, so using a product and looking at the benefit of it and the result whichever they get, they will speak from their result, which means people will use these products and experience it, then they will retail it. They may even buy a new product just to review it or to promote it. So what we have seen till now is the three different types of types of affiliate marketing. One is unattached affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing or niche based affiliate marketing, involved affiliate marketing. Okay, out of these three, involved affiliate marketing is the highly effective affiliate marketing technique where the person will speak from the heart because of having the personal experience. And the second priority goes to the related or niche based affiliate marketing. Niche based affiliate marketing will yield good conversion rate. The reason because the audience are highly targeted and very specific to their needs. And what it will not work out, lots of people try when they try to do a business out there. What do they try to do? They want to do business without revealing their identity because they may feel shy or there will be different reason why people have to do it. So they don't reveal their identity, and because of not having authentication or not revealing the identity processes, the conversion ratio that can happen through the unattached affiliate marketing process may not be very successful. So this particular video is very short just to give you a summary, and I'm going to discuss in detail about unattached affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing, and also the experienced or involved affiliate marketing processes. See you in the next video.